Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 9, ratio and proportion, exercise 9.1, question number 3. Question number 3 है, find the ratio of each of the following in simplest form. Part 1 of question number 3 is that 2.1 meter to 1.2 meters. So part 1, 2.1 meter to 1.2 meters. We need to find its ratio. So ratio is equal to what? You can write it like this. A ratio is equal to, you can write it 2.1. Student, you know very well, ratio have no unit. So 2.1 by 1.2. Okay. So if you multiply by 10 in both, then you get both Newton denominator. So 2.1 into 10 divided by 1.2 into 10. Then you get, it become what? It becomes 21 by 12. So 21, you can write it 3 into 7, 3 into 7, and 12 is, you can write it 3 into 4. So here you can see 3 is common between them in both numerator and denominator, so it will be a cancel. So if you cancel them, then you get 7 by 4, or you can write it 7:4. At last you can write hence the ratio of 2.1 meter to 1.2 meter is 7:4. 7:4. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss second part of question number 3. What have in second part of this question? Second part of this question is that 91 centimeter to 1.04 meter. Okay, so first we read them. After this we solve the second part of this question, question number 3. Second part of this question, this is given, and this is the second part. 91 centimeter to 1.04 meter. Okay. So student, you know very well, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. This is clear. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So we have 1.04 meter. It means that you can write it 1.04 into 100 centimeter. This is equal to what? This is equal to 104 centimeter. So in this way you can say here 1.04 meter is equal to 104 centimeter. This is clear. Now so we can rewrite it, or we can write it 91 centimeter to 104 centimeter. Okay. So we need to find the ratio of 91 centimeter to 104 centimeters. Okay. Now So here we write ratio of 91 centimeter to 104 centimeter. This is equal to you can write here 91 by 104. Okay, so 91 you can write 13 7 91. Okay, you know very well. 13 7 91 and 13 8 104. So in this way you can see in both numerator and denominator 13 is common, then it will be cancelled. You can cancel it, then you have here 7 by 8, or you can write here 7 ratio 8, because you know very well A by B you can write it A ratio B, or A ratio B you can write it A by B. Both are right. Okay. Here, so here 7 by 8 we can write it 7 ratio 8. Clear? Now at last we can write, therefore we will write therefore the ratio are 91 centimeter to 1.04 meter is 7 ratio 8. This is clear? So student, I hope all of you understood this part, second part of question number 3. In this part, this is a centimeter and this is a meter. So first we convert meter in centimeters. Okay. So we know very well 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, but we have here 1.04 meter. So this is equal to 104 centimeter. Clear? So we can find the ratio of 91 centimeters and this becomes 104 centimeters. So you can write it 91 by 104 centimeter. This is clear. After this we simplify this, we get 7 by 8 and 7 by 8 is equal to 7 ratio 8. This is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now we are going to discuss third part of this question, question number 3. Let's see what has in third part. Third part is given, find the ratio of 3.5 kg to 250 grams. Okay, so let's see. First we erase them, after this we solve the third part of question number 3. Student, I hope all of you understood the second part. Okay, so here the third part is given here 3.5 kg and the ratio 3.5 kg to 250 gram. 3.5 kg to 250 grams. Student, you know very well the 1 kg. Here you can say this is kg, this is gram. So first we convert this kilograms in grams. Okay, and I hope all of you know. We know that. What you know that? 1 kilogram, 1 kg is equal to how many gram? 1000 gram. This is clear. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, so we have 3.5 kilogram. 3.5 kilogram. This is equal to 3.5 into 1000 gram. This is equal to what? 1 0 will be cancelled by this decimal, then we get 3520. Okay, so it becomes 3500 gram. 3.5 kg is equal to 3500 gram. So let's see. So you can write it R 3500 gram to 250 grams. We need to find the ratio of 3005 gram to 250 grams. Okay, so here you can write ratio of 3500 gram to 250 gram. Okay, this is equal to what? This is equal to we can write 3500 by 250. So you can cancel 0 by 0. Okay, after this we have 350 divided by 25. If you divide it by 5 in both, then you get 5 in 5 have 25 and 5 70. Yeah. So here we have 70 by 5. Again you can divide it 14 by 1. 5 1 ja 5, 5 14 ja 70. This is clear. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 14 ja 70. This is clear. So we can write this is 14. Okay, this is 14 by 1. Now, so you can write it 14 ratio 1. Okay, 14 ratio 1. At last, you can write therefore the ratio of the ratio of 3.5 kg to 250 gram is 14 ratio 1. 14 ratio 1. This is clear? So student is therefore the ratio of 3.5 kg to 250 grams is 14 ratio 1. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question. Question number, this is third part, and now we are going to discuss fourth part. Fourth part of question number 3. This is given that 6 passive. Find the ratio of the following in the simplest form of 60 paise to 4 rupees. Okay, so let's see. How to solve this question? 60 paise to 4 rupees. First we arrange them. After this we solve these questions. This is question number 3, part 3. Now we are going to discuss fourth part of question number 3. Fourth part of this question is, this is given, find ratio of 60 paise to rupees 4. Okay, so here you can see this is a paise and this is a rupees, so we convert paise rupees in paise, and as you know that 1 rupees is equal to how many paise? 100 paise. So here we write, as we know that we know 1 rupees is equal to how many paise? 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise, but we have 4 rupees. 4 rupees is equal to 4 into 100 paise. 4 into 100 paise. This is equal to 400 paise. 400 paise. This is clear now. So here we can write R. We need to find the ratio of 60 paise to 400 paise. Okay. Now this is clear. So we write here the ratio of 60 paise to 400 paise. This is clear. So for this we can write it 60 by 400. Okay, so you can cancel 1 0 by 1 0, then we get 6 by 40. Also if you cancel it by 2, then you get 2 3 ja 6 and 22 ja what? 40. Okay, so this is equal to, you can write 3 ratio 20. This is a required ratio. Okay, ratio of 60 paise to 400 paise. This is equal to 3 ratio 20. This is clear. Now at last you can write here, therefore the ratio of 60 paise to 60 paise to 4 rupees, this is equal to 4 rupees is 3 ratio 20. This is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next part, fifth part of this question. Student, in this question this is given, you need to find the ratio of 60 paise and 4 rupees. So you can see both quantity are different. This is one is paise, second in rupees. So first we convert paise in rupees, and you know very well how to convert. Obviously we know that the 1 rupees is equal to how many paise? 100 paise. But we have 4 rupees, So 4 rupees is equal to 400 paise. So for ratio, we write it 60 upon 400. 0 cancel, then we get 6 upon 40. And obviously, if you cancel both numerator and denominator by 2, then you get 3 by 20, or you can say 3 ratio 20. So our required ratio is equal to 3 ratio 20. This is clear. Now the next is we need to find the ratio of 1 minute and 15 seconds. So let's see how to solve this part. Question number fifth part of question number 3. We need to find the ratio of 15 minute, 1 minute to 15 seconds. This is fifth part. 1 minute to 15 seconds. Okay, but student, you know very well, 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, this is clear. So you can write here R 16 seconds to 15 seconds. Okay. Now, so we need to find the ratio. Here, right? Now the ratio of 60 seconds to 15 seconds. 16 seconds to 15 seconds. This is equal to, you can write it 60 by 15. If you know the table of 15, then you can divide 15 for the 60. So you get here 4 by 1, or you can say 4 ratio 1. This is clear. Okay. Now at last you can write here, therefore the ratio of 1 minute to 15 seconds. 15 seconds is what? Is 4 ratio 1. Clear? 1 minute to 15 seconds is 4 ratio 1. This is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss last part, fifth part, sixth part of this question. In this question you can see we need to find the ratio of 1 minute to 15 seconds. Okay, but you know very well the 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we find the ratio of 60 seconds to 15 seconds. Okay, so for this 60 by 15, and also you know very well 60 is the multiple of 15, or you can say 15 1 ja 15, 15 4 ja 60. So we have 4 by 1, and you know very well A by B is equal to A ratio B. You know very well. So here we have 4 by 1. This is equal to 4 ratio 1. This is clear. So at last you can write here therefore the ratio of 1 minute to 15 seconds is 4 ratio 1. This is clear. Now the next part of question number 3 is dead. Find the ratio of 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. Let's see how to solve this question. First we read them, after this we find these questions. We solve the sixth part of question number 3. This is the last part. Here the given is 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. And this is the sixth part of question number 3. 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. We need to find the ratio of this 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. Student, you know very well, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Obviously we can say 60 minutes, but we have 1.5 hours. So how many minutes? Let's see how to convert it. So first we write here, we know that we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, but we have 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours is equal to 1.5 into 60 minutes. Okay, when you multiply this, then you get 90 minutes. Clear? So in this way you can see the 1.5 hours is equal to 90 minutes. Okay, so we can write here, or we need to find the ratio of 30 minutes to, here you can see this is the minutes and this is the hours. So the quantity are not same, so we convert it hour in minute or minute in hour. So here we convert hour in minute. Okay, because you know very well that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so we have 1.5 hours. If you multiply 1.5 by 60, then you get 90 minutes. Okay, this is clear. So here you write this 1.5 hour becomes 90 minutes. Clear? This is clear. Now we can write the ratio of, we can write here ratio of 30 minutes to 90 minutes. 90 minutes. This is equal to what? This is equal to, you can write 30 by 90. What you can write? 30 by 90. So 30 by 90. You can cancel 1 0 by 1 from 1 0. Then you can write 3 by 9. Also you can write 3 into 1 3 by 3 into 3. This is equal to 9. So you can see here in both numerator and denominator, the 3 is common between them. Then 3 will cancel. We get here 1 by 3. We get here 1 by 3. Also we can write it 1 ratio 3. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 ratio 3. This is clear now. Okay. We can write 1 ratio 3. At last, you can write here, therefore, 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 a ratio of 30 minutes, 30 minutes to 1.5 hour is 1:3, is 1:3. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.